Good afternoon, everyone. Now, I will discuss the Corollary 4.15.1. Para mas maunawaan natin siya, ay magbibigay ako ng mga examples. And the first example natin was x cubed plus x squared plus 29 is congruent to 0 mod 5. So, mag-take down notes kayo para makasabay kayo sa ating discussion. So, ang una natin gagawin is find the x. Kung x means ilang beses natin siyang i-substitute sa ating given. So, ang x natin is m. Formula natin is m minus 1. Then, we all know that the m was 5. So, 5 minus 1 is 4. So, ibig sabihin, we will start. So, ang x natin will start from 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then, isa-substitute na natin siya sa ating given. Ito ang ating given. So, start with tayo sa x. So, x is equal to 0. Then, so, 0 cube plus 0 squared plus 29 is equal to 0 cube is 0, 0 squared is 0, plus 29 is equal to 29. After that, i-divide natin siya sa ating 5 modulo 5. Divide sa modulo 5 so that if dinivide natin ang 5 sa 29, we will got the remainder 4. Kasi 5 times 5 is 25. So, 25 minus 29 ay may remainder na 4. And 29 is not congruent to 5. Next is sa x is equal to 1 naman. So, 1 cube plus 1 squared plus 29 is equal to, so 1 cube is equal to 1 plus 1 squared, 1 then, so 29 plus 1 is 31. Then, di-divide ulit natin siya sa 5. And we got the remainder 1. So, that means 31 is not congruent to 5. Then, sa 2 naman, 2. So, 2 cube plus 2 squared plus 29 is equal to 2 cube is equal to 8 plus 2 squared ay 4. So, 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 29 is 41. Divide natin sa 5. We will got the remainder 1 then. May natirang isa, so it is not congruent to 5. Next is x is equal to 3. So, 3 cube. So, ito na siya x is equal to 3. 3 cube plus 2 cube plus 29 is equal to 3 cube is equal to 9 plus 2 cube. 3 cube is equal to 27 plus 2 cube is equal to 8 plus 29. So, makukuha natin sagot ay 65. And di-divide din natin siya sa 5. So, ang makukuha nating remainder ay 0 kasi eksakto ang ating sagot. So, obviously, 65 is congruent to 0 modulo 5. Then, after nun, next is x is equal to 4. Then, substitute natin 4 cube plus 4 squared plus 29 is equal to 4 cubed, is 4 times 4 times 4 plus 4 squared plus 29 is equal to 109. Then divide natin sa 5. So we got the remainder 4. So 4 ang ating remainder. It's not congruent to 4. And kung mapapansin natin sa mga, so hanggang 4 lang nakuha na natin. At kung mapapansin natin, the x is equal to 3 ang nakapagbigay sa atin ng tamang sagot, which is 0 modulo 5. So ito na yan. Ito ang tinatawag na solving polynomial congruent. So paano naman natin siya ma-apply sa corollary 4.15.1. So ganito yan. So in corollary, we have the f of x and the f prime of x na tinatawag. So f of x, isa-substitute lang natin yung given na x or the 3. So ang ating formula kanina, di ba, x cubed plus x squared plus 29 is congruent to 0 modulo 5. Then substitute lang natin yung 3. So 3 cubed plus 3 squared plus 29. So dito lang yun. After that, i-solve natin. Ang makukuha nating sagot was 65. And 65 is congruent to 5 because we don't have na remainder na makukuha or 0 ang ating remainder. After that is we will proceed to the f prime of x na tinatawag. So ano to? Ito ay ang derivative. So ang ating given ay x cubed plus x squared plus 29. So ano ang derivative nila? So 3x, then 3 minus 1 is 2 plus x squared is magiging 2x. So ito ang derivative ng x cubed plus x squared plus 29. So saka natin isa-substitute ang ating nakuhang x, which is the 3. So 3 times 3 squared plus 2 times 3 is equal to 3 squared is equal to 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 2 times 3 is 6 is equal to 33. So is congruent to 3 mod 5. Itong 3 ay dahil dito yung x natin. So after nyan is itong 5, we all know that 5 is divided. So 33 minus 3 is 30. So eksakto ang nakuha nating sagot. So tama ang ating computation kanina na value ng x ay 3. This is our next example. X cubed plus 4x plus 17 is congruent to 0 mod 2. And to get the value of x ulit, ay kukuhanin natin siya using the quantity of m minus 1. Ang m natin ay 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Obviously, we will start from 0 to 1. So, diba lang? Then, substitute natin sa ating given. So, start tayo sa x is equal to 0. 0 cubed plus 4x plus 17 is equal to, so 0 cubed is 0 plus, ito ay 0, then 4 times 0 is 0 plus 17 ay 17. And So 17 is i-divide natin siya sa 2. We got the remainder 1. So 17 is not equal to 2. Then, isa-substitute naman natin sa x is equal to 1. 1 cube plus 4 times 1 plus 17 is equal to, so 1 cube is 1 lang, plus 4 times 1 is equal to 4. So 1 plus 4 plus 17 is equal to 20 is equal to 22. And i-divide natin siya sa 2, we will now have a remainder. So it will equal to 0. So that ang ating value ng x ay 1. So x is equal to 1 modulo 2. Proceed tayo sa corollary. So we will get the f of x and the f prime of x. Ating formula ay ang ating given was x cubed plus 4x plus 17 is congruent to 0 mod 2. Then, ang ating nakuhang sagot was x is equal to 1. Next naman is the f prime of x. Then, kukuhanin natin ang derivative nito. So, ang derivative ng x cubed was 3x. Then, 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 4x. Magiging 4 na lang. Then, after that, ay substitute natin yung ating nakuhang 1. So, is equal to 3 times 1 squared plus 4 is equal to 1 squared is 1. So, 3 times 1 is 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 7, divide natin sa 2, we will have the remainder 1. So, it is not congruent. Then, 2, ito is can be divided to 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. So, tama ang ating nakuha na ang value ng x cubed plus 4x plus 17 is congruent to 0 mod 2 was x is equal to 1.